This next song was written by a young man that was so in love with his woman he just couldn't see his life without her. So he committed the ultimate sin and took his very own life. But the words to this song are cemented in our hearts forever. Can we sing it for you? Can we sing it? Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl has found another and she's gone away. With her, where my future, my life is filled with gloom. So day after day, I stay locked up in my room. I know to you, this might sound strange. How I wish it would. I wish I